Installing exterior doors utilizing installation clips. When installing doors with side lights, locate the factory installed installation clips on the vertical sides of the door frame. Rotate the clips so they are perpendicular to the jamb and secure to the jamb using the provided screws. Install the door unit in the rough opening and center it. To plumb, level, and square, use a pry bar to shift the unit and shim as needed. Starting at the top corner of the unit, bend the clip approximately 90 degrees towards the framing material and secure clips using two 1 5/8 inch drywall screws. Bend and secure the other top clip. Double check that the unit is plumb, level, and square before bending and securing the remaining clips.